Welcome back. You're watching the second match in the best-of-3 quarter-final series. Westwood High won the first match. Scores are Titchfield High on 4 points, Westwood High on 7 points. So you'll have noticed Titchfield High picked up a point. The answer given to the very first question, the biology question, which blood protein in humans transports iron in the bloodstream. They said hemoglobin, which is in fact correct and has been accepted as an alternate answer. Also, for those of you at home, Arthur Williams is Jamaica's ambassador to China, not the High Commissioner. And so with that, we head into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Ladies, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which tribe of Israel received no inheritance in the land of Canaan?
Levi.
Yes. What are the specialized organs in which egg cells or sperms are produced called?
Gonads.
Yes. Change this sentence to the present continuous tense. I went to the market.
I'm going to the market.
Yes. Who is the Prime Minister of Bhutan?
Prime Minister.
Jimmy Wanchuk.
No. Chering Top Gay. What is the capital of the Marshall Islands?
Majuro.
Yes. Which country borders Saudi Arabia to the south?
Kuwait.
Yemen. Bad Bunny won the Grammy for Album of the Year at the 2026 awards for which album?
Debiterar Mas Photos.
Again?
Debiterar Mas Photos.
Very good. What gas is released when an acid reacts with a metal?
Hydrogen gas.
Yes. What is 1,258.976 rounded to the nearest thousand?
1,000.
Yes. In the iconic 1990s comedy series Friends, who played the role of Phoebe?
Phoebe. Pass.
Lisa Kudrow. On what date do Cubans celebrate? And we won't have time. Well done, ladies, for your first minute. Titchfield High, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, Adonijah was one of the sons of which king of Israel?
David.
Yes. What is the name for the process of producing sperm within the seminiferous tubules of the human testes beginning at puberty?
Germination.
No. Spermatogenesis. Change this sentence to the future tense. I have been trying to save.
I will try to save.
Yes. Who is the president of Liberia?
Joseph Boakai.
Yes. What is the capital of the Federated States of Micronesia?
Banagir.
Yes. Which country borders Turkey to the northeast?
Russia.
Georgia. The song Luther won the Grammy for Record of the Year at the 2026 awards. Who collaborated with Kendrick Lamar? SZA is the answer. We wanted only SZA. What is the formula for the hydronium ion?
H3O+.
Good. What is 88.96 rounded to the nearest 10?
89.
90. In the iconic 1990s comedy series Cheers, who played the role of
Jennifer
Sam
Aniston.
Malone? Ted Danson. On what date do Venezuelans celebrate the 1811 signing of their Declaration of Independence?
August 6th.
I know it's July 5. July 5. Well done, Titchfield, there for your first minute. Soon come Westwood. It's time now for your second minute. The 2026 Winter Olympics were officially hosted by which 2 cities in Italy?
Milano Cortina.
Yes. What is the resistivity of copper at 20 degrees Celsius? 1.68 times 10 to the minus 8 ohm meter. What is the English translation for the Spanish La Noticia Emocionantes?
Exciting news. The exciting news.
Yes. Which Caribbean poet compiled the collection Slow Horses?
Derek Walcott.
Edward Kamau Brathwaite. Calabatha is a generic name for this ground provision.
Pumpkin.
Yes, in Jamaica. In the book of Genesis, which man's servant dug a well that caused a dispute with the herdsman of Gerar?
Abraham.
Isaac. Biotin is the scientific name for which specific
B7.
vitamin?
B7.
Yes, spelled duress.
Pass.
D-U-R-E-S-S. Which 2 countries launched an attack on Iran in February 2026?
Israel and USA.
Yes. Which device measures the intensity of earthquakes?
Seismograph.
Yes. In which African country is the city of Marrakesh?
Morocco.
Yes. Which instrument has the primary role of tuning an entire orchestra? And we won't have time for your answer. That is the oboe. The oboe. Well done, Westwood, for your second minute there. Titchfield High coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. Which country is the all-time leader in Winter Olympic medals?
Norway.
Yes. What is the resistivity of pure aluminum?
1.68 times 10 to the negative 27 ohm meter.
No, 2.7 times 10 to the minus 8 ohm meters. What is the English translation for El próximo año en agosto?
Next year,
August.
Good. Which Caribbean poet compiled the collection White Egrets?
Derwakat.
Yes, in the Dominican Republic, it is called buen pan, or good bread. What is it called in Jamaica? Yes. In which book of the King James Version of the Bible is Michael the Archangel first mentioned explicitly?
Revelation.
Daniel, ergo calciferol is the scientific name for which specific? Yes, spell abyss.
Abyss. ABYSS.
Good. Which two Asian countries declared they were in an open all-out war in February 2026?
Afghanistan and Pakistan.
Good. Which natural satellite orbits the Earth?
Moon.
Yes. What is the name for the main river which flows through Rome in Italy?
Tiber.
Yes. What is the 8-letter name for a musical story without acting, costumes, or scenery?
Musical.
It's an oratorio. That's an oratorio. Well done, gentlemen, for your second minute there. Westwood High, we're coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the chemical symbol and atomic number for the element astatine?
80. 9. Pass.
8085. A rectangle has an area of 96 centimeters squared and its length is 12 centimeters. What is its perimeter?
Perimeter. 12, 12, 24 plus 16. That's 40. 40 centimeters.
Yes, in the 2001 film Lara Croft, Tomb Raider, who portrayed Lara Croft?
Angelina Jolie.
That's right. Which play by William Shakespeare portrays the conspiracy leading to the assassination of a Roman dictator?
Julius Caesar.
Yes, who were the winners of Jamaica's 2025 Boys and Girls Championships?
Who are the winners?
25. Yeah.
Casey and
No.
Heidel.
That's right. What is the potential energy of a rock that weighs 100 newtons and sits on a hill 200 meters high?
2 million joules.
20,000 joules. How do you say the male farmer in Spanish?
Farmer.
El jardinero.
No, el agricultor. Who wrote the 1918 novel The Name of the Rose?
Or Frost.
No, Umberto Eco, but well done, ladies, for your third and final minute. A male farmer in Spanish is also el granjero. Granjero. Well done. Titchfield, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the chemical symbol and atomic number for the element selenium?
Selenium. Se34.
Good. A square has an area of 4.41 centimeters squared. What is the perimeter of the square?
So 48. 4.8 centimeters squared.
No, 8.4 centimeters. In the 2001 animated film Shrek, who provided the voice of Shrek?
Eddie Murphy.
Mike Myers. Which of William Shakespeare's plays is about the love story of Claudio and Hero?
Hamlet.
No, Much Ado About Nothing. Which high schools won the girls section and the boys section of the Eastern Champs in Athletics in 2026?
St. Mary High. And Titchfield High.
Good. What is the kinetic energy of a rock weighing 100 newtons if it rolls down a hill at a velocity of 3 meters per second?
You can do that. 450 joules.
Yes. How do you say the male waiter in Spanish?
So, Cartera.
No, El Camarero. Who is the author of the 1985 novel Love in the Time of Cholera?
Gabriel Garcia Marquez.
Yes. Which Jamaican crop was once called black gold because of its export value in the
Hibiscus.
18th century? Sorry?
Hibiscus.
No, pimento or sugar. And that is the bell. Well done, Titchfield, for your third and final minute. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores in the match look to be Titchfield High on 22 points, Westwood High on 25. Let's now hear a good word from True Milk. Take brain breaks. Do something fun between study sessions. When we come back, it'll be time for what's shaping up to be an exciting buzzer challenge. Stay tuned. The second match in the best of 3 quarterfinal series returns right after this.